Can you say hi?
Hi.
How are you doing today?
Good.
Did you go to lunch with Daddy today?
I raced NASCAR.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
What are you going to be when you grow up?
I'd be Rocky.
You're going to be Rocky. Here, show me some karate moves, will you? Oh, who got you down? Who got you down?
Somebody did. Piston Hana did.
Who?
Piston Hana did.
Who is he saying, Johnny?
Piston Hana off of punching.
Show me, let me see. Look at me.
Show Mommy.
Do it again. Show me your moves. That's really cool, buddy. All right, blow me a kiss. That's the helmet. That's the helmet that hurt. Oops. Let's go find Paigey. Hey, Paigey. What are you watching? Tell Mommy what you're watching. Ooh, ow. Paigey, show me your dance moves. Up in the air. Do up in the air. Up in the air. Oh, I gotta get sticks. I'll get some sticks, okay?